guys, it's Isaac with the Lice and Whip Company. I got something, just want to throw together in a very, very informal video for you guys. I want to show you guys how to make, or how I'm making that, a can holder to go on top of a target stand. Now this one's not glued up or anything, but I finished this one this morning, and able to do this flange here with a heat gun. So we're going to take this and heat it up and make it into this. For what I'm using here, this is a 1-inch to 2-inch bushing. So this fits a 1-inch PVC, which is what I use for my target stands. And then this is like the diameter of a 2-inch pipe into a 2-inch coupler. So those are the pieces that you need for this. I got a heat gun here. I turn it on, and just gonna start heating this up. Try and move down so you guys can see. Like I said, this is super informal, this video. It's not gonna be anything fancy, but just show you guys how I was able to do this. Work the heat on the inside and the outside. Came up with this idea from, I used to make PVC bows and things like that, and using a heat gun for that. I got the heat gun on high. I'm just kind of slowly spinning it with my fingers, trying not to burn myself too much. This does get hot. Now the biggest trick is when this cools, it's going to shrink a little bit because things expand when they get warm and they shrink when they get cool. So I also have a thing of canned air here, and this has a diameter just a little bigger than the soda can. And I'm going to use that so I'll put the soda can in there first, struggle to get that out, and then put in the canned air to expand it the last little bit. Ooh, yeah. Okay, there we go. See how that you can squish that now? It's nice and pliable. I can't do it too much because it's stinking hot, but we're gonna do this just a little bit more here. Throw this in my vise, and then take our can and just push it right down on. Just like that. And you can see how it molds it. And now that that's on, and we have the original stretch. So that's kind of like that. We got a little bit of that flange made. Now just to expand it a little bit more, we're going to go a little bit more heat. And careful not to get your heat in one spot too much. It's not very likely that you'll burn a PVC, but you can burn it, as you can see I did right there, a little black spot, as I was talking with you guys. Alright. And now we're going to take our canned air, stick that down in, expand it the last little bit, and you really got to push it to get it in there. And then keep my heat on it. This here. Keep the heat on it, try and let it cool down slowly, and accept it being on the can of air here. Again, super informal. This isn't any fancy video, and I gotta move faster, so I don't have time moving the camera around all that much. But I think we're pretty settled here. Now, if you have like a wet rag or a cold wet rag, it really works to put around this, and it'll solidify it a little sooner. I want it to try and cool slowly so it doesn't lose its shape as much. But as we go here, I got just a little piece of extra dowel here I had laying around the shop to kind of push it out. Ouch. Alright, so after a little bit of struggling and bustling, I was able to get it out, so I got one here and one here. So either of these will set the can on top of it very nicely, and then once you have this, it'll go onto your 1-inch pipe for your target stand. And then you can have legs out here, whatever you want to do. But that's how I made these little nifty can holders. Hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next one.